Good day, this is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Tuesday, September 9th. I'm going to let you know what we did today in the room. Today we had 1, 2, 3 possible entries in the ES. We also had one in the TF, and I'm going to let you know what's going on there. First trade we had here was at 8:36 Central Standard Time short 1994. One lot traders would have got a point. If anybody who tried to hold the trade would have had a total break even on that trade. I did say to go smaller on that one because it was during market on open. There were several reasons. I thought that it might get down to my 1991 target. This was the target I had the whole time. But again, during market on open and things like that, we know that it can bounce around. Once it came back up and came down again, I said it's here. We got to be careful because it already kind of did the minimum it had to go. But I was expecting it to get down to that line. That would have been at 8:54. Then again, I said you had to be risk-free before the news because we had news at 9 o'clock. Everybody was risk-free who took the trade, and the 91 target was hit. So that was a nice winner there. This would have been a break even here unless you had a one lot. I also said you could hit it one more time up here, but I'm not counting that because I didn't want anybody really to take it. But I said, you know, if you knew the methodology, this would be the last possible point you really could hit it safely. But again, I'm not going to count that trade. So 2 opportunities there. And then the third opportunity we had was a long at 1994 on this candle. Long at 1994, said that should be good for 1.5 to 2 points. When this candle came here, this green candle here, I said that we had what was called a ZL could push this down, so you need to lock in whatever you're going to lock in. Nobody made 8 ticks. I said take 6, 7 ticks, whatever you can get here. And if you want to hold one, you can hold one, but you want to be out of most of your contracts because there's a ZL in the way, and we are in a downtrend. So a couple points on that one. Let's say 1.5 on that one. And also I said that you could take it in the TF. When the market was all the way down here, I said that if you knew the method and you were up big on the day, you could even start getting long the TF right here. That would be about 161.8 or so. Said it's a little bit nutty to do that in the call room. I don't really want people to do that. I said let's wait for it to come up here, and when we get long in the ES, you guys can get long here, which is exactly what happened. That one worked for about 20 ticks. Would have been 40 ticks from down here, but about 20 ticks from here, which is about 6 to 7 ES points, and again straight to the target, which was the same as over here. Those who traded the TF had less trades, but probably made more money overall. ES, there was 3 opportunities. Every one of them would have been winners, and they were winners. Actually, it's just a matter if you took it or not. And actually, this was a break even if you had more than one contract. So say 2 winners, 1 break even. We're going to come back and we're going to do it again tomorrow. Until then, guys, have a great